Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a made-up Kandyan saree. First, gather your saree, a few safety pins, and a petticoat. This method simplifies the traditional draping, making it easier to achieve the elegant Kandyan look. We'll focus on creating the distinctive pleats and securing them properly for a polished finish. It's a fantastic way to wear this beautiful style with confidence and ease. Let's begin by preparing the main pleats. Take the inner end of your saree and start forming pleats, aiming for about 5 to 7 of them. Each pleat should be around 4 inches wide, ensuring they are consistent in size. Once you have your pleats neatly arranged, use a safety pin to secure them firmly together at the top. This forms the base of your drape. Now take the secured pleats and tuck them neatly into your petticoat, positioning them at the center front. Make sure they hang smoothly and evenly. Next, bring the remaining fabric of the saree around your waist, passing it from left to right. Adjust the fabric to ensure a comfortable fit and the desired length for the lower drape. This step sets the foundation for the distinctive Kandyan style. Finally, let's create the elegant asaria or upper drape. Take the palu, the decorative end of your saree, and bring it over your left shoulder from the back. Form small, neat pleats for the shoulder section, ensuring they are uniform. Secure these pleats with a safety pin to keep them in place. Adjust the length and fall of the palu to achieve a graceful and traditional Kandyan look. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.